Right, now it's time to do my jeans. So my idea is to add writing around the pocket area here. So I've just drawn a little idea on my bit of paper, and I've just written "shine like the stars" in my handwriting, and I'm going to take a photograph of this and I'm going to import it into the Silhouette Studio program on the computer. So now I'm just going to measure around my pocket. I need to do it no more than 6 inches when I import it onto the Silhouette program. So this is my drawing that I've imported. So I just took a photograph on my phone and imported it into the Silhouette Studio. And then if you just go over here to this button, to the trace, select trace area, and then click and drag over your image and release. And then just press the button over here that says trace. So as you can see, the highlighted area has gone, and the actual background image you can then drag away, and I can actually just click that and delete it. And then you're left with your original writing. So now you just need to make sure you keep all the elements that you want to keep from it. So obviously I'm going to get rid of this line, and I'm also going to flip it so that it's the opposite direction because I'm cutting into the back of the vinyl. So now I've got all my design reversed. I'm now going to press send, and then make sure that it's on the setting heat transfer smooth. And now I'm just going to press send, and send as it is because I've already mirrored the design. So first up, I'm just going to cut around my design because I do not need all of this excess vinyl. So I can save this for another project another day. So first I'm just going to pre-press the jeans and make sure all the creases and moisture have been eliminated. So now I've just got some scrap fabric just to pad out the pocket because there is a lot of seams on these jeans. So I'm going to get my vinyl shiny side up and just place it where it needs to be. So I've noticed this star just doesn't quite make it, so I'm going to cut that bit off. Or should I have the star at the end? Yeah, no, I'll cut the top star off because I want to have the star at the end and it fits just right like that. Now I'm just going to add my greaseproof paper on top. And then with my iron on the 2 dot setting, which is 150 degrees, I'm just going to press really carefully, making sure each part of the vinyl gets the same amount of heat. So it needs about 10 to 15 seconds. Top layer of plastic can be slowly peeled off. So now it's all been pressed and it's all nice and smooth, and you can even add some little bits of glitter, maybe glittery stars just around here as well if you wanted to jazz it up a bit. So this is the finished outfit, and I've added some secret details. I've added the details along this collar here. These are just in Happy Flex colours, and also when you turn up my jeans, I've also got some lovely stars at the bottom. So they could be worn with or without, so it's kind of like a 2 pairs in one. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments below what kind of challenge you want us to do next.